Hey you, welcome to Scratch. So this is Scratch and we're going to have a quick look at how to make a character move around on the screen. It's really straightforward. So very quickly, here's how Scratch is laid out. So on the left hand side is what we call the stage. So if you imagine like at the theatre where people are acting and stuff on the stage, this is where all the action happens. Underneath that are the sprites. The sprites are anything that you have in your Scratch game or animation, whatever you're making. Anything that moves is a sprite, basically. In the middle of the screen where you can see all these blue boxes, this is where all the code is. This is how we're going to actually make something happen. And then on the right hand side here, where I'm wiggling the mouse around, that's where we're going to move these bits of code and put together some sort of animation. It's going to be really simple. So what we want is we want the cat to move a few steps across the screen. We want it to kind of do this like that. So we're going to take this move 10 steps, we're going to click, we're going to hold down the mouse button, we're going to drag it over here, and then we're going to let go. And there it is. So over here there's a green flag and a big red stop button. See if you can work out what you think those might do. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, so the green flag starts whatever we've got over here, and the red stop button stops whatever's happening. So we've got this 10 steps, and if we double click it, you can see he moves. But what we really want is we want to be able to click this green flag and have something happen, because it might be that we want to save this as a game or an animation and send it to a friend so they can have a look at it. So they need to be able to open it up and click on this green flag, and something has to happen. So we're going to go over here to events, which is this sort of dark orange bit, and we're going to click on when the green flag is clicked, and we're going to drag that over. Now if we click on the green flag, what do you think is going to happen? Okay, so we click the green flag, nothing happens. Why do you think that might be? Give you a couple of seconds, there's no pressure. So these two blocks aren't connected. At the moment, when clicked and move 10 steps are two separate things. They don't have any relation to one another. If we want to join these two things together, if you look at the top of the move box, we have this little bit that's cut into it, and underneath of the when green flag is clicked box, we have this little bit that sticks out. So it's a bit like a jigsaw puzzle. So we can click on the move 10 steps and we can push it up, and when we see this big white line appear, we can let go and the two blocks will click together. What will happen if we click the green flag? Have a think. Okay, should we find out? Here we go. Green flag, click it. Oh, he moves! He doesn't move very much, and not much else happens, but he does move. And that is a fully working, complete program. And if you've managed to create that yourself, well done you. But what could we do to make him move a little bit quicker, or to make him move further across the screen? Have a little think. I'll give you a little bit of a hint. Just leave my mouse hovering here for a moment. Have a little think. So you're going to need to learn a new word now, and that word is variable. It's quite a weird word, variable. All it really means is that it can vary. It means it can be different. You can change it to be anything you want, ish. So where it says 10, we could change that to a 5, or we could change it to 100, or we could change it to whatever this is. We'll change to 100. What do you think is going to happen to the Scratch cat when we click on the green flag now? Remember, before it said 10, and when we did it as 10, it did that. So what do you think is going to happen when we change it to 100? Have a little think. Okay, now if you're super clever and you said you think he's going to go right away across here, you were exactly right. There he goes. And that's because he's moving more steps when we click on the green flag than he was before. But similarly, if we change it to 1 and we click on the green flag, he moves really slowly. Really slowly. It's about as fast as I run.